Hello, how are you guys? I hope all of you are fine. So, I warmly welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel, New Technology YT. So, we will start our topic. Our today's topic is how electricity is generated. An electric generator is a device that converts a form of energy into electricity. There are many different types of electricity generated generators. Most of world electricity generation is from generators that are based on scientist Michael Faraday's discovery in 1831 that moving a magnet inside a coil of wire makes induces an electric current to flow in the wire. He made the first electricity generator called a Faraday disc, which operates on this relationship between magnetism and electricity, and which led to the design of the electromagnetic generator that we use today. Electromagnetic generator use an electromagnet, a magnet produced by electricity, not a traditional magnet. A basic electromagnetic generator has a series of insulated coils of wire that form a stationary cylinder called a stator, surrounding an electromagnetic shaft called a rotor. Turning the rotor makes an electric current flow in each section of the wire coil, which becomes a separate electric conductor. The current in the individual section combine to form one large current. The current is the electricity that moves from generator through power lines to consumer. Electromagnetic generator driven by kinetic mechanical prime movers account for nearly all of US electricity generation. Turbine driven generator. Most of US and world electricity generation is from electric power plants that use a turbine to drive electricity generators. In a turbine generator, a moving fluid, water, steam, combustion gases of air pushes a series of blades mounted on a rotor shaft. The force of the fluid on the blades rotates the rotor shaft of a generator. The generator, in turn, converts the mechanical kinetic energy of the rotor to electrical energy. Different types of turbines include steam turbines, combustion gas turbines, hydroelectric turbines, and wind turbines. Electricity generation from an electric turbine. This is the kinetic energy source, turbine electricity, electric generator, electricity to consumer. This is rotor shaft, stator. Steam turbines are used to generate the majority of the world's electricity, and they accounted for about 45% of US electricity generation in 2021. Most steam turbines have a boiler in which a fuel is burned to produce hot water and steam in a heat exchanger, and the steam powers a turbine that drives a generator. Nuclear power reactors use nuclear fuel rods to produce steam. Solar thermal power plants and most geothermal power plants use steam turbines. Most of the largest US electric power plants use steam turbines, combustion gas turbines, which are similar to jet engines, burn gaseous or liquid fluids to produce hot gases to turn the blades in the turbine. Steam and combustion turbines can be operated as stand-alone generator in a single cycle or combined in a sequential combined cycle. Combined cycle systems use combustion gases from one turbine to generate more electricity in another turbine. Most combined cycle systems have separate generators for each turbine. In single shaft combined cycle systems, both turbines may driven a single generator. Learn more about different types of combined cycle power plants. In 2021, combined cycle power plants supplied about 33% of US net electricity generation. Combined heat and power plants, which may be referred to as cogenerators, use the heat that is not directly converted to electricity in a steam turbine, combustion turbine, or an internal combustion engine. Generator for industrial process, heat or for space and water heating. Most of the largest CHP plant in the United States are at industrial facilities such as pulp and paper mills. But they are also used at many colleges, universities, and government facilities. So thank you so much, guys. Our today's topic is finished, and we will meet in our next video. Please follow, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much, guys.